rende omurwaniriri bw'obwene bwa mwenyabantu Bobi Njagi niganyorera Obosibore magega yekigambiro gya Kajiado kumubwatuka asi ugutamonyora ne RICHIKO ose neri mochorine lyonse magaya yakubye kwa byara amo n'abanyanyimbo weterase abayegereri baye abubari mu wakili James Orengo Babu Wino Dan Manzo nabwego Eric Ngujeri nigoko bumobaruru kubure gucyase KIABORIGWE kya DCI kwene kebuna imbabwatiye gose imbabwatoboro bwoyisaine nabwego kubwatia RICHIKO.
Those are more than 14 days the state wanted to detain to have the respondent detained. The respondent has appeared today as directed. The High Court has directed that he was to attend to court today. He has done that. From what I have gathered, it would appear that the investigations are not yet complete. The IO does not appear sure on when they will be completed. He is waiting for a report he believes will be ready in about a week. He is not sure about that timeline. So considering that this matter is now before the High Court, which granted bail, and there being no indication on when charges, if any, will be preferred, I order that this file be closed. The respondent will now attend the High Court at the recommendation of the 14th. So this one is closed.
But you can see the true nature of the Kenyan state, where the police and the state can take somebody to court, arrest somebody on trumped up charges. You had the whole story.
Yes.
That Bob Njagi has been in custody without a charge and without any investigations which have been concluded. That is the true story of the Kenyan state. So let us continue together, work together until Kasongo goes home.
But we thank the court. What has happened now, they have become real custodians of justice here in Kajiado, and we hope other courts will take the same example and defend the law, defend the constitution, and defend the people. I really thank them and thank God for what has happened to Bob Njagi. He's a free man now, and I believe he's going to fight this battle and win it.
The purported charge that was to be brought before him, an allegation of treason, is a charge that is supposed to make him stronger. And therefore, Bob, do not cow. We've seen a lot. We've gone through a lot from Uganda, here in Kenya. But we pray that everything shall be well. Continue with the spirit. The journey is one. I want to thank the courts for delivering a wise ruling, a ruling that has set aside. The file has been closed officially, and therefore Bob is free. He will not face any other charge related to prison because of the reason why, the reason for his arrest.